there! Today, I have something important to talk to you about. Have you ever heard of National Stop Bullying Day? Bullying is when someone tries to hurt someone else on purpose by using hurtful words, leaving them out of something, or even hurting their body. Bullying is never okay. Everyone, our friends, families, even people we don't know, deserve to feel safe, happy, and included.
Yeah.
Whether they're at school, at home, or anywhere else.
Oh, what do you mean?
When you feel safe at school, you can do more of what you love and explore more of what you're interested in. Everyone deserves the opportunity to do that.
Aw.
If you see someone being bullied at school, tell an adult you trust. And always remember to treat someone the way that you would like to be treated, with kindness, understanding, and care. Happy National Stop Bullying Day. To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.WonderGroveSocialSkills.com or scan the QR code.
Thanks! You're right. Do you know when I have the most fun? When we play hide and seek. Yeah, when we play hide and seek today, I'll make sure that I play fair. Me too.